For the actual creative process, when it comes to the logo design, we write a creative brief,
which is a book basically explaining all the results and findings from the public input survey and the ambassador group.
So information that the city gave us, information that we found from interviewing citizens,
and using those words that were used, talking about the colors that were referenced, showing the examples that were used when we explained logos to the ambassador group for all of our designers to look at. And we got all of our team together and went through this packet and talked about our findings.
We had some definite information that came through that we wanted to get into that design brief so that any designer working on this project would be able to review it and understand what our goals are.
And then we started designing.
One thing we did was we siloed our designers a bit. So each designer could read the design brief, but we didn't want them seeing what other people were designing. So we wanted them to completely come up with their own designs. And then later, after the 3 designers had their concepts, then we brought them together. We looked at these concepts, which were sketches. From that stage, then our designers go back, and now we've had a creative session where they've heard from me as a creative director. They've also heard from their other coworkers about maybe some directions to take their sketches. So all of our designers go back to Illustrator and they start translating those sketches into digital versions of those sketches.
When we finally presented semi-finals with colors to the ambassador group, we had about 20 versions of the City of Pasco logo for them to look at, which is a lot, but our ambassador group did wonderful and took on the challenge. We took that feedback and refined again and kept going until we narrowed it down to about 8 solid final logos. We then took those 8 to the city committee and said, this is what the community input has given us. These are the designs we came up with, and this is how we got there. They then whittled it down to the top 3 that they felt they could use and felt fit their need. Then the council took those designs, they sat with them for a bit. They actually had us change a couple things, switch some fonts, look at some different color variations, and that's how we got to the City of Pasco's logo today.